Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn three things, that is how to make negative sentence, second how to make yes or no sentence, and third thing is how to make WH question. Today I am going to give you three golden rules. So let us start with the first golden rule, that is how to make negative sentence. For example, Raja writes a story. Before making the negative sentence, we should also know that I am asking you how many verbs are there in a single sentence. I am talking about the general tenses. How many verbs are there in a single sentence? So there are always two verbs. They are main verb and helping verb. Okay. So here we are going to play some games with helping verb. So it is very necessary that you have to know which are the helping verbs. Okay. So I will tell you in the common means in any tenses. For example, I have given you here in a simple present tense, but it may be any sentence. So how to make negative? Usually we have the thing in our mind that just we put not and our sentence becomes ready in negative, but generally it is not there. Grammar says something else. So how to make correct negative sentence? So here the first step, that is we have to find out the helping verb in the given sentence. So one more thing I would tell you in advance, that in simple present tense and simple past tense, we don't find helping verb in the positive sentences. Have you understood? In simple present tense and simple past tense, we will not find the helping verb in positive sentence. Rest of the tenses means, if we don't talk about simple present and simple past, rest of the tenses, they already have the helping verbs. So now let us come to the topic, come to the point, that is how to make negative sentence. The first thing, what is the first thing? That we have to find out the helping verb from the given sentences. So do you know the list of helping verbs? So helping verbs, they are very easy. Am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, should, would, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, etc. etc. These all are the helping verbs. So let us check in this sentence whether there is helping verb or not. So in this sentence, do you find any helping verb? If we divide according to the grammar, Raja becomes subject, writes becomes main verb, and a story, this becomes an object. So do you find helping verb in this sentence? Yes, there is helping verb, but we cannot see, it is unseen. So in simple present tense, always helping verb is do or does. So though we don't see here, don't find any helping verb, it is there, it is invisible, we cannot see. So here in simple present tense, does and do. So one thing you have to remember, the helping verb is always where it comes soon after the subject. So here helping verb is there, that is do or does. Now it depends on a subject. If the subject is third person singular, the helping verb will be it will be does. If the subject is rest, then rest. If the subject is other than third person singular, the helping verb will be do. So here the subject is third person singular, that means helping verb is does. So our first step is over. First of all, we have to find out the helping verb. So we have found out the helping verb does. Then after finding out the helping verb, we have to add not. So our sentence becomes negative. Raja does not. Okay. One more thing that is very important. When we use does, then we have to remove s or es from the verb which we have added. So Raja does not write a story. Our negative sentence is ready. Let us take one more sentence. I speak Marathi. In this sentence, do you find helping verb? In this sentence, there is no helping verb, but it is there. This is also simple present tense. If the subject is rest, then third person singular, the helping verb is do. So we have found out the helping verb. It becomes I do not speak Marathi. Have you understood? Now let us go to the second step, that is how to make yes or no question. If you have understood how to make negative, surely you will be able to make yes or no question very easily. Let's see how to make yes or no question. Roma gave her a chocolate. Yes. Here just we will divide the sentence: subject, verb, that is main verb, and object. Yes or no question. So as we saw how to make a negative sentence, the helping verb was very important in that. In the same thing, if we make yes or no question, there also we need yes helping verb. So in this sentence, Roma gave her a chocolate. Do you find any helping verb? No, there is no helping verb. Though there is no helping verb, it is there. So first we will identify the tense of the sentence. Roma gave her chocolate. Which tense is this? So this is simple past tense. And simple past tense has helping verb, but we cannot see, that is did. So soon after the subject, that means it is here somewhere. Roma did. So helping verb is did. Yes. Now what we have to do in making yes or no question? First of all, find out the helping verb. Then just you have to pick up the helping verb and just you have to place before the sentence. So main sentence is here. So just we will did Roma. Okay. One more thing that is very important in simple past tense. When we use did, we have to remember the second form of the verb becomes first form. So that is, did Roma give her a chocolate? Question mark. Let's see one more sentence. They are going to the college. Okay, our first step is to find out the helping verb. In this sentence, do you find the helping verb? Is there helping verb? Yes, it is there. That is are. It is already given. The tense of the sentence is present continuous tense. So just we have to place it before the sentence. So yes or no question becomes how? Are they going to the college? Have you understood? Now let us go to the third thing, that is making WH question. If you know how to make negative sentence, you are going to make the yes or no question correctly, and if you know how to make yes or no question correctly, then it is very easy to make WH question. Let's see. Karan will buy a car. So to make WH question, what we have to do, that is first we have to make yes or no question from the given sentence. That means Karan will buy a car. How to make yes or no question? Just we have to pick up the helping verb and place before the sentence, that is will Karan buy a car? This is yes or no question. After making yes or no question, just we have to place WH interrogative pronoun before the yes or no question. So if I want to ask Karan will buy a car, करण कार खरीदेगा, अभी हमें पूछना है करण कहाँ से कार खरीदेगा, फ्रॉम कहाँ से मतलब कि फ्रॉम वेयर. जस्ट वी हैव टू प्लेस WH इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन बिफोर द यस और नो क्वेश्चन. फ्रॉम वेयर विल करण बाय अ कार. वन मोर क्वेश्चन, करण कितनी कार खरीदेगा? सो जस्ट वी हैव टू प्लेस हाउ मेनी कार्स बिफोर द यस और नो क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी कार्स विल करण बाय? So in this way you can go on making the different WH questions. So let us see one more example for the WH question. Ravi has helped Mona. रवि ने मोना को हेल्प किया है. So first we have to make yes or no question. So in this sentence there is a helping verb, just pick it and place before the sentence, that is has Ravi helped Mona? Okay, now we can make WH question very easily, that is रवि ने मोना को हेल्प किया है. रवि ने मोना को क्यों हेल्प किया है, कब हेल्प किया है, रवि ने किसको हेल्प किया है, ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हम पूछ सकते हैं. तो हम ये पूछेंगे रवि ने मोना को क्यों हेल्प किया. क्यों मतलब वाई. जस्ट वी हैव टू ऐड वाई बिफोर द यस और नो क्वेश्चन. वाई हैज रवि हेल्प्ड मोना? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन कि रवि ने किसको हेल्प किया. किसको मतलब whom. तो whom has Ravi helped? रवि ने मोना को कब हेल्प किया. when has Ravi helped Mona? So in this way you can make so many various WH questions. Is it easy? Have you understood? Yes. Now one more question, that is when we ask question with who, that is very easy and it is different from the other WH questions. So how to make question with who? So it is very easy. Just we have to remove the subject and add in place of subject you have to use who, and the sentence will remain the same, and last you have to add question mark. It becomes question with who has helped you, sorry, who has helped Mona. So whenever we make question with who, just we have to remove subject. Instead of subject, just we have to place the who, and the remaining sentence will be remain the same. There won't be any change. Just we have to add question mark at the last. Have you understood? Have you understood? Yes. So here we stop our 3 golden rules to make negative sentence, yes or no question and WH question. Thank you.